Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you how I color correct my face. So let's just start with the color correction process. So today for the color correction I'll be using Huda Beauty color corrector in the shade Mango to cover my acne marks and my dark circles. So let's just start the process. Don't directly put it very close to your eyes, just keep the product little far from your eyes. Around your mouth, on all the pigmentation and marks that I'm having on my face. One important tip here is it is very important to do the skin prep before color correcting. So right way of doing the skin prep is very important to achieve that flawless base in the end. How to do the proper skin prep, if you want to know, I can make a separate video on that too. So as you can see that I have put this corrector on my face, so I'll just use a damp beauty blender to blend it seamlessly on my marks. As I've done my eye makeup already, so I'm not putting it over my eyelids, otherwise you can just put it on your eyelids as well. As you can see that I have blended my orange corrector, but still I feel that here is a need of some more corrector, so I'm building the coverage. If you don't have any major pigmentation or acne marks or dark circle concerns, you can just put the orange on that area where you have pigmentation. So it's totally up to you whether you put it all over your face or you have to just cover the desired area. So next, after the orange corrector, I'm taking this concealer palette from Kryolan Supra and I will take a concealer which is 2 shades darker than my skin tone. So today I'm taking this is FS36 to neutralize my orange corrector, and I'm taking this flat brush to put it over my face. So color correcting is very important because if you don't color correct your face properly, then your foundation can oxidize later. Now, as you can see that my marks are already covered, but since I've used 2-3 shades dark concealer than my original skin tone, so now just let come back to our skin tone, and I'm using the concealer from the same palette which is nearly as per my skin tone, this one. So again taking the same brush and putting the product on my skin so that I don't go dark on my foundation. Once you have put the product on your skin, then it is very important to blend the product properly. Now I'm done with my color correction, and as you can see that my base is already looking very flawless and no foundation, no highlighting is done yet. So this is how I do my color correction, and this is a very long lasting base without any creases, without any lines, because we have done the color correction with the liquid and cream products. So if you find my content useful and if you like this video, please follow and subscribe to my channel. Bye.